Hi, welcome to Spanish 101, and today we're going to be talking about comparisons of inequality expressing quantity. In our previous video, we talked about how to express the inequality of countable nouns when no specific number is being given. But for this video, we're going to focus on when a specific number is known. And here I have two examples that we're going to use. The first one is, John has more than 2 dogs. Sam has less than 4 shoes. I have more than 8 books. So in these examples, we can see that a specific number is being given, but the idea that it's giving us is that, for example, John has more than 2 dogs. It's basically saying that he has 3 or more dogs. And it's going to be the same thing for each one of these sentences. Sam has less than 4 shoes, so we know that he has more than 4. When we do this, we try to go a number above of what the number is given. I have more than 8 books, so it's basically saying that she could have 9 books or even more than that. So let's break it down again and see what are the pieces that for this type of sentences. So we have our subject, we have our verb, then we have the frequency determiner, or the inequality, the word that is going to show the type of inequality. We have our conjunction, and then we have our number. Our number and our noun. Okay? So that's the basic structure for our sentences. So now let's look at examples in Spanish. John tiene más de 2 perros. Sam tiene menos de 4 zapatos. Yo tengo más de 8 libros. So this is a formula again. Verb to have plus más or menos, number and countable noun. So these are the basic formulas that we need to use. So now let's do a practice. So here we have Maria has 7 cars, Alicia has 5 cars. So let's put Alicia as our subject. Alicia tiene más de, Alicia tiene más de 4 autos. So we go back to the number before, because here we're given that she has 5 cars, and that's the only number she has. Because if we were to write a number 5, Alicia tiene más de 5 autos, we are given the idea that she doesn't have 5, but she has 6. So that's why we're always going to go a number down when using this type of construction. For example, Maria tiene 7 autos. So we're going to say Maria tiene más de 6 autos. Or we could do it the opposite way and use less instead of more. So María tiene menos de 8 autos. Okay? So again, we're going a number over because we know exactly how many she has. So that's why we're saying that she has less than 8 cars. She only has 7. So I hope this video was useful for you to know how to express comparisons of inequality when a number is given for countable nouns. As long as you understand the pattern for this type of sentences, it's going to be useful. So again, just make sure that you have the number and a countable noun, and this construction will be able to help you with this type of comparisons.